Today we're going out to the lake and we're gonna go pick up a bunch of trash. The other day when we were out there filming, I saw that there was a bunch of car tires and things like that. So we're gonna take our little basket thing here and our little poker stick to get in the water, and I have a pick to dig them out of the ground and a shovel. So it's just something to do to help out the community, and while you're passing through a town and we're in nature, you might as well get all that stuff out of the water for the little fishes, the bears, everything that's out there using the water and being in that, the mountain lions even. But we want to just make sure that we leave stuff better than we found it. And if you see trash, you can't just walk away and say, oh, look at that, what people did. You got to go back and pick it up. So I figured we're just kind of like a spur of the moment sort of thing, and so we're just gonna take this and we're gonna go for it, you know. So there's a couple of the tires right there, and we're gonna keep walking down that way behind me, and there's about 7 or 8 altogether. I'm not sure. I came down the other day to assess the situation, you know, to see what's going on. We're just gonna go for the furthest ones first. I don't know why. I don't know if it's a good game plan or if that's just the way it is, you know. Oh, there's one right there too. Here we're gonna pull that out right now. Hold on, Dharma. Hold on. That thing is stuck in there. All right, here's one ready. I'm a little bit out of breath. It's like 10,000 feet up here, almost 2 miles high, you know. Oh, I see another tire. Hey, that wasn't that bad, this one. Ooh, there's one in the tree. Just absolutely gorgeous, you know. This is just looking all around. This is just perfect. Trying to make sure there's not any bears coming too. That's what's in the backpack, is bear mace and all that stuff. As if a bear is probably gonna stop if you pull out some mace or something like that. They smell meat, they're going for it, right? You know. But hey, it makes you feel better until. So we're gonna grab it. Just carry it down, you know. All right, so we got the pick and basically just gonna dig them out, you know? They seem like they're pretty in there.
Look at how overgrown they are. See, if we didn't do it, they would have just been here forever.
We got about 8 tires. 3 of them are still in the ground. We're gonna take 3 of them to the dumpster and come back in the morning time, grab them, do that. I feel like it was a good job, you know, just coming out here and getting the trash out, just taking initiative. I don't have too much, sorry, I don't have too much SD card. I'm one of the broke YouTubers or TikTokers, but it's not about everything being filmed. It's about the action, you know, just being done anyways. So I'm gonna try to get as much of this in as we can, but if it runs short, that's why, you know.